When you bring your car in for service at one of our Euro Motorcars locations, you're going to get factory-trained, certified technicians. They receive ongoing training on all current Mercedes-Benz products. Not only do we use genuine Mercedes-Benz factory parts, but our pricing is extremely competitive, and we offer a price match guarantee. Our technicians know more about Mercedes-Benz vehicles than independent shops because they focus on one brand, Mercedes-Benz. To make your appointment online, visit us at www.eurobethesda.com or www.eurogermantown.com. Our website is set up for mobile functionality, so feel free to use your smartphone or tablet to make an appointment. Our Bethesda service lane is located on Bethesda Avenue near the corner of Bethesda Avenue and Arlington Road, and our Germantown service lane is located off of I-270 on Germantown Road. When you arrive, pull into the service lane and a valet will do a walk-around inspection with you and your vehicle. Your advisor will discuss the scheduled service as well as any recommended services or concerns you have regarding your Mercedes-Benz. If you would like an express service like tires, light bulbs, or other maintenance, let your advisor know. Many of these express services can be done in less than an hour. For your convenience, a complimentary car wash is always included. Once you've confirmed what work will be done to your vehicle, let your advisor know the best way to contact you, whether it be via text message, phone, or email. Please give your most current email address so that we can let you know about service specials, recalls, and other important Mercedes-Benz information. At the end of your appointment, your advisor will provide you with a PIN number so that you can pay online when your vehicle is ready. If there are any dents or scratches you want repaired, we can also provide a free estimate and send your vehicle to our appearance center once your car has been serviced. If you want to wait for your vehicle while it's being serviced, you can take a look in our accessory shop, or hang out in our lounge where we provide free Wi-Fi, coffee, and snacks. If you need to leave, your service advisor can onboard you into a Mercedes-Benz loaner car within 1 minute. Your service advisor will give you a key and then lead you out front to choose from our fleet of Mercedes-Benz loaner cars. You come here in a Mercedes-Benz and you leave here in a Mercedes-Benz. When your vehicle is ready to be picked up, your service advisor will alert you through your preferred method of communication. We have added a text alert function to make communication more efficient. Now that your vehicle is ready, it's time to pick it up. If you didn't pay online, you can pay the cashier. Once you've paid, head back to the service lane and provide the valet with your vehicle information. A valet will retrieve your vehicle and you'll be all set to head home in your freshly serviced Mercedes-Benz. At Euro Motorcars, you get certified technicians, the convenience of online transactions, state-of-the-art amenities, and a service experience unique to your needs. Schedule your appointment today at www.eurobethesda.com or www.eurogermantown.com. We are open Monday through Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. and on Saturday from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Remember to make an appointment to ensure you get the best experience possible. With Euro Motorcars, I'm Mark Halpern. Thanks for watching.